guys, it's me, Airiana.
And it's me, Aiden.
And today, it's the day before Easter. And today, here's our Easter baskets. Mine is homemade and Aiden's is not.
Oh, yeah. So, and I just made this up. It's Easter Eve. Yeah, because it's almost Easter. You get it? Like Christmas Eve, but Easter Eve.
Yeah. So today we're going to show you what's inside of our Easter basket and have a happy Easter for tomorrow.
Yeah.
So Aiden's going to open up his, and while he opens up, I'm just going to show mine. So here's my little Skittles Easter egg. Ow. Here is my water bottle for my Easter egg.
How do I know?
I think this is a hairbrush. Yeah, it's a hairbrush and a mirror. Hold up. Here is my hairbrush and the little mirror, so I can do it in the morning for my hair. Because my hair's always touching in the morning. Here's a little notebook that I can just write in or draw in sometimes, like if I'm bored or something. Here's some Easter egg candy. Some Easter carrots. A case, like a little case, like
that's a wallet.
Like, yeah, like a wallet case and a necklace.
That's a bracelet.
Oh. Here's some more Easter.
This is hard to open a little bit.
And here's some Pop Rocks. I love Pop Rocks. They're so good.
I got a jump rope, guys, and I got water balloons.
Here's some nails.
I got water balloons.
Here's some big nails that I can just wear if I want to. And pens, because I actually really need pens.
Oh, guys, I got a jump rope.
Here is some cute butterfly glasses. I actually like them. They're like sunglasses. Hold up, I'm trying to wear them. Here, alright. I look so cool, guys. Here is some Crocs. And here's my last two candies. A drinking like ice pop and a Krabby's Patties.
And I got fluffy.
Oh, there's one more thing. Hold up.
What is it?
Wait, I think. Oh, here is a cute headband. It's like a bunny headband. Hold up, I'm gonna take this off real quick.
I got some nerds to make me smart because I'm a nerd.
I can't take this off, guys. Like here is.
And
like
I
how it
got
looks
Easter Yeezys, yeah.
And the person who made this Easter basket for me was my mom, and she did very, very good. And she even put a lot of candy for me. Thank you.
Alright, guys.
Well, we can't open it, but it's like really cute. Come, guys, come close. Look, look how pearly it is, and look how the bunny ears look like. See? It's so cool. And it matches with the butterfly glasses. And do you have one more thing?
Nah, I'm trying to open this.
Oh. Well, I hope you guys have a happy Easter. And resurrection Sunday. And have a happy Easter and have a good day tomorrow.
And Easter is about Jesus dying. And
Jesus
after
coming
he came back
alive.
to life.
From day 4, it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's today. 1. Bye, guys.
Bye. Subscribe, like, and
view. Become a member to our channel. Bye.
And view.